Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a video GIF with InShot application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my InShot application, and for example, I'm going to create a video GIF from this video. So before we export this video as a GIF with our InShot application, we can edit this video. We can add text, sticker, folder, or anything to our video. And here I'm just going to cut the video to make the process faster. And after that, we just need to click on this save button, and we have to save this video as a GIF. We can click on this format option and select a GIF, and we just need to save. Then the video will be saved as a GIF in our phone. Okay, and I'm going to check it in my gallery. Okay, and this is the GIF that we have just created with InShot application. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a video GIF with InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.